What's going on, guys? It's Craig Hunsley here at Steel Hyundai, and today I'm going to go over the brand new 2024 Santa Fe all-new redesign. This vehicle is a 2.5 liter turbo engine, 8-speed dual clutch transmission, and it can tow up to 5,000 pounds. So as we go through, you'll notice a little difference in the redesign, where you notice some H's. So in the front end, you see the LED headlights is an H there, and you also have a fun H right here as well. So as we go over the vehicle, there is a theme with this model. So as we keep going onto the side of the vehicle, you'll notice the 18-inch rims there. Beautiful blacked out alloy along with the white. It contrasts very nicely. And as we keep going down to the back, you'll have a handle here. This is to get up to the top of here to brush off any snow, anything like that. Super convenient. One of my favorite features about this vehicle. Next up, we're going to show you the back end. It has mixed reviews, but you do really learn to love it, as we did here at Hyundai. And as you can see right here, you do have an H in the taillights as well. It's a fun theme that Hyundai has come up with. Now I'll take you into the back, as it has a power liftgate here. As you'll notice, there are vents in the back for your passengers, as it is a 7-seater. Super easy to flip up. Super easy to put down for any cargo needs you may have, as well as you do have some outlets as here over here. And you can control the front 3 rows there. Press this and that goes right down. Beautiful design, very spacious. Let's go to the front. These are beautiful leather seats. In the inside, you do have different air controls for the passenger and the driver. You have a 1 wireless charging pad with this particular model, but you can get dual wireless charging pads. And this vehicle comes with blind safety, lane safety. It comes with forward collision assist, rear collision assist, and a whole lot more. Please reach out 902-456-5166 if you'd like to know more about this vehicle and come for a test drive. Thank you so much and have a great day, guys.